How to add a WhatsApp button on a Facebook page on Android. This tutorial shows you how to link your WhatsApp number directly to your Facebook page as a contact button. First, open Facebook on your Android device. Tap the three-line menu at the top left. From there, scroll down and tap on Pages. At this point, tap on the page you want to add the WhatsApp button to and switch into it. From there, tap on the three lines at the top left again, or go directly to the page screen. After that, tap on three dots on the top right. In the next step, scroll down and look for the Action button or Add a Button option. From there, tap on it to open the button setup options. Once done, scroll through the available options and select WhatsApp from the list. Following this, tap on Next and enter your WhatsApp phone number, including the country code. From here, tap on Save or Done to confirm and add the button to your page. At this stage, go back to your page and confirm the WhatsApp button is now visible below your cover photo. After this, tap on the button yourself to test it and make sure it opens WhatsApp and routes to the correct number. Keep in mind, visitors who tap the WhatsApp button on your page will be taken directly to a WhatsApp chat with your linked number, so make sure the number you enter is active and monitored regularly. Finally, go back to your page and confirm the WhatsApp button is displaying correctly and working as expected for your visitors. And that's it. If this guide helped you add a WhatsApp button on your Facebook page, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.